Hello students, this is Yogita. Today you're going to learn with me the linear equation in one variable with the help of an activity. Before going further, you should know something about the equation. What is an equation? An equation always consists of an equal to sign between the two expressions. Those are balanced. The balancing is always done by this equal to sign. This towards the left of the equal to sign, it is left hand side. Towards the right, it is the right hand side. Always to solve an equation, you should remember this golden rule. Yeah, do same thing to both the sides. Means whatever you do with this side, you have to do the same thing to the other side as well. To understand more about the equation, consider it as a balance. The balancing is always done by the equal to sign. So I'm putting two counters to the right hand side and two towards the left hand side. So how equation works? If I remove one counter from the right hand side, the balance will be like this, and this is not balanced. And if I remove one from the left hand side also, the equation will be balanced. Before actually solving the equation using algebraic tile, we should know about the values of these algebraic tiles. I am putting here some tiles, green, red, one small yellow and one small red, and I am also putting one pair of red and yellow. So what are these values? So green tile we are taking as plus x, and the red minus x, yellow plus 1, red minus 1, and these together, as you know, plus 1 minus 1 together becomes a 0. So the value of this pair is 0. We can call it as 0 pair. Now let us solve an equation consist of an addition sign. The equation is x plus 3 equals to 6. X means one green tile, 3 means which is positive, so 3 yellow tile we can put towards this, and 6 towards the right hand side, again it is positive, so we can put 6 yellow tiles like this. Now to solve this equation, we need to remove these 3 tiles. How we can remove? We can put 3 red tiles towards this side to make them 0 pair, but as we know, we have to do same thing what we are doing to the left. Towards the right also we have to do the same thing, so I am doing it. Now they are becoming 0 pair, so we can remove these zeros from both the sides. Now you can see what is left here. We are left with only x and 3 yellow tiles. So the value of this equation become x equals to 3. Now let us solve one more equation consisting of negative sign. X minus 5 equals to 7. So to solve this x we can put again the green tile, but it is negative 5 this time. So we have to put 5 red tiles like this. Now towards the right hand side, 7 is positive, so we can put 7 positive tiles, means 7 yellow tiles like this. These are 7. So but we want the value of x. So to find the value of x, we want to make them a 0 pair. How we can make a 0 pair? By putting yellow tiles. Now I'm putting yellow tiles. We need 5 yellow tiles this side to make them 0 pair. So again we have to put yellow tile this side also. How many? 5. So 5 yellow tiles I have put. Now we can remove the 0 pairs from both the sides if we have, but we have towards only the one side, that is left hand side. So now you can count. This is left x, and how many these yellow tiles are? These are 12. So x equals to 12. Now we're going to solve a different type of equation in which the x is multiplied with 2, an addition sign is also here, and 9 towards the right hand side. How we can solve this? As it is given 2x, so means we can put 2x, 2 green tiles, again plus 3. Plus 3 always means 3 yellow tiles, small one. 9. Now 9 is positive. So we have to put 9 yellow tiles like this. You can see 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These are 9. Now to solve this, first of all, we can remove these 3. How? We can put 3 red tiles to make them 0 pair. But same thing we have to do to the right hand side. So I am doing the same. Now we can remove the 0 pairs like this. Okay. Now what is left with us? We are left with 2x and that equals to 6 now. But we want only 1x. So we are removing half. We are doing half of the left hand side. So exactly half we have to do. So how we can do half? These are 2. To make it half, I can remove 1. These are 6. To make it half, what should I do? Remove the 3. Now what is left? It is left with 1x only and 3 yellow tiles, which means x equals to 3. I hope you understood the linear equation and you yourself can practice in this way. Thank you.